Alright, here we go. Taking off. Here's the wind tower. You see the winds blowing here in the bamboo. Pretty nice. This is looking southeast. Right here you can see the cell tower. This here is the road. Okay, from here we're still rising. You can see the cell tower metering the background horizon. Okay, this is where the camera has been adjusted to look further down. We'll stop right here. Right here, the top of the cell tower has cleared the horizon. Right here. I'll pause here for a minute. Okay, here you go. This is where we left off, where the cell tower had just cleared the horizon. And here's from the old view. You can see where the highest it got was about 150 feet. This is about midway of this tower here. So the tower is about 350 feet high in total. Here's a comparison of the size of this house here. And they're pretty close to the same size. You know, the biggest difference is the angle down for the camera. Right here is the horizon, which is about 40% of the entire picture. This is the real bottom of the picture, and this is the real top. Over here has been modified, but mostly to knock out some of the bottom. But right here we're looking at about 20% sky. Nothing ever happens in the sky unless you're looking for planes, which you obviously don't want to go any high enough to even see planes. You can see those with your eyes. But you can see the difference. You can look further down. So let's assume this elevation 150 feet on this drawing, and over here is maybe 300, 350 feet. So we just did clear the top of the tower looking here at the horizon. So we're angling down more, and we also got more elevation. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause here and start over at the other. From this video you can see where the locations of the antennas are located. This here is a metal shroud that goes around this motor. If you notice here, it's a larger RF cable compared to the small motor cables here, the wiring, electronic wirings. This is a shielded cable that goes to this antenna. There's also an identical antenna on the other side, right here. Here's the RF cable, and here's the antenna that wraps around it. Okay, for this modification to increase your range, in this case it was just an aerial range of altitude that doubled the altitude of a normal unit. Now these wires here, you just lift off the antenna, unhook it from these hooks here. Also on this one the same thing. And what I've done is made a small hole here, or an indentation. It's not in this video, it's not in this photo. Right here I've cut a notch and allowed this antenna cable to go down out the notch and just hang below the helicopter itself. This is done on both sides. They hang down about 6 inches, and I put some tape on them because they are hook shaped, and I didn't want them to get tangled in the tree and hook itself in a tree. So I put tape around them, which isn't shown here. Okay, I'm going to pause here a second and come right back. This is a control board that's inside of the helicopter. On this side here is the camera. The camera is held in place by a little clip that clips on the end of this plastic here, this white piece of plastic. What I've done is lifted this little piece of plastic up, moved the camera forward just enough to clear this piece of plastic. What that did was change the angle of attack of the camera so that it's pointed more down, and you notice the difference in the two photos. This is the all modifications that were done. Once you remove the top section, you've got to unhook this plug and unplug this plug. Just remember the plug goes back in when you reassemble. Okay, that should do you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Goodbye. Go kitty go! Go kitty go! Go kitty go! Be sure to watch the other videos that I've posted. Thank you and goodbye.